Welcome students. So continuing with our ongoing chapter Understanding Shapes. Before starting today's lecture students, I want to give you a small note. Okay, so just pay attention to this note, very important note. Few points I need to give you in this note. First point, note. Acute angle. ACUTE, acute angle. What are acute angles? What are acute angles? Just see on the screen please. Angles measuring between 0 degree and 90 degree. I am highlighting this range between 0 degree and 90 degree. Okay, it cannot be equal to 0 degree. Okay, and it cannot be equal to 90 degree. So if I say that theta is any angle, normally we represent angle by theta. Okay, it's a Greek word written as theta, pronounced as theta. So if theta is any acute angle, it will be like 0 is less than theta is less than 90 degree. So your angle should not be equal to 0 degree, should not be equal to 90 degree. It can be greater than 0 and less than 90 degree. So between 0 and 90, if any angle, we say that angle as acute angle. Okay, now the next note. Obtuse angle. Obtuse angles. What are obtuse angles, students? Here comes the definition. Angles measuring between 90 degree and 180 degree are called as obtuse angles. So once again, if we represent the angle by the Greek alphabet theta, theta is normally we represent any angle with the help of theta. It's not like that theta are acute angles, theta are obtuse angle. Just to represent any angle, we take a constant and it's denoted like this. It's a symbol theta. So here 90 is less than theta. 90 degree is less than theta is less than 180 degree. That means your angle should be greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. It should not be equal to 90 degree and it should not be equal to 180 degree. If the measure of your angle is between 90 and 180 degree, excluding 90 and 180, it should be between 90 and 180. Slightly greater than 90 and less than 180, then that angle is called as obtuse angle. Okay, so now with this, let's revise first before starting with the third note. If your angle is between 0 and 90, greater than 0 and less than 90, so acute angle. Greater than 90 but less than 180, so it's obtuse angle. So now the third one, right angle. Right angle. What are right angles? What are right angles, students? Right angles. Angles measuring 90 degree exactly are called as right angles. Okay, let me give some examples. For this, I'll give example for it's 30 degree. My theta is equal to 30 degree. So this angle is between 0 and 90, greater than 0 and less than 90. So it's acute angle. Example for this will be what? For example, 150 degree. Always arrow head should be drawn like this. So here theta is equal to 150 degree. Okay, so it's greater than 90, less than 180. But how will I draw the diagram for this? It will be exactly like this. Okay, and please pay attention as I have marked this arcs over here to represent the angles. Whenever we have angle as 90 degree, pay attention please. I'll mark a star over here. We make like this a box over here. This box itself means 90 degree, and we never write 90 over here, 90. Okay, this box, this represents 90 degree. Okay, this represents 90 degree, but we don't write here 90 degree. Okay, if I name this as AOB, so angle AOB is 90 degree. Now pay attention, another note within the same thing. Over here I can also say AO and this line like this, BO. What I have written, AO is perpendicular to BO. Okay, what I can write here is AO is perpendicular to BO, or OB also you can write. So this is another way of telling someone ke bhai this is 90 degree. One way is angle AOB is 90 degree. It's given to you. We never write 90 90 like this. We just make like box like this. Okay. And other way, please see this. Other way, this is important. In all the questions you will see this. They will tell you AO is perpendicular to BO. So it means that AO is perpendicular to BO means AO it's 90 degree with BO. Understanding? So it means that angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. So there are two ways of expressing right angles. You should be familiar with this blue box also. This word perpendicular means itself 90 degree. Understanding, students? Okay. Now copy up till here, then I'll go on the fourth note. Okay, students. Now the fourth point, and before starting this fourth point, I'll tell you to mark 3 stars over here. Very, very, very important property. Sum means addition. Sum of all angles on a straight line is 180 degree. If you have a straight line and any number of angles you have on that line, sum of all the angles on a straight line is 180 degree. Let's very quickly take an example, all of you. Okay, now for example, I have here a straight line. Its name is AB. Okay, and let's call this point as O. This is point P. This is point Q. Let us consider, let us say that this angle is X. Let us say this angle is Y. Let us say this angle is Z. But can I say AB is a straight line? Because AB is a straight line, please see here, all of you, sum of all the angles on a straight line is 180 degree. How many angles you can see over here? I can see here 3 different angles. Can you all see this? This is my first angle, this is my second angle, this is my third angle. Sum of all the angles on a straight line is 180 degree. Okay, so therefore angle AOP, you can also write as POA, plus angle POQ, you can also write as QOP, plus angle QOB, you can also write as BOQ, is equal to 180 degree. And the reason this line will come. Okay, so therefore angle AOP is X, plus POQ is Y, plus QOB is Z is equal to 180 degree. This is what we achieved. It was just an example to explain you all. Okay, please pause the video, students, and do this much, and then we'll start with some very basic questions. Okay, students, now the heading is over here, calculate the missing angles. And in this sub question A, this diagram is given to us. Please see this diagram. Okay, now how will you all draw the diagram? Pay attention. In your notebook, you will draw this diagram, and the height of the diagram should be minimum 5 ruled lines, not small that. And you should draw always the diagram at the center. If this is the page, you will draw at the center, not at the extreme left, not at the extreme right. Now because I don't have space, that's why I'm drawing on the right hand side. If this is my notebook page, okay, and it starts from here, so I'll be drawing it at the center. And minimum height should be 5 ruled lines, minimum height. It should not be very small, because I will say the entire 90% of the question is just understanding the diagram. Okay, calculate the missing values. Now we can clearly see, students, over here that AB is a straight line. AB is a straight line. Now see here, just now I taught you one concept. Sum of all the angles on a straight line is 180 degree. Okay, so I'll use that in the solution part. Okay, let's do it, students. Let's do it. See, I'm copying out the same thing. Sum of all the angles on a straight line is 180 degree. Okay, see here, please, students. In the solution part, sum of all the angles on a straight line is 180 degree. Our straight line is this AB. So can you tell me how many angles we have? First, second, third, and fourth. So sum of all these 4 angles will be equal to 180 degree. But we have to write their proper names. Let's write AOE. Therefore, angle AOE. You can also write EOA. Okay, plus angle EOD, plus angle EOD, plus angle DOC plus angle DOC plus angle COB plus angle COB is equal to 180 degree. Let me check. AOE, EOD, DOC, COB is equal to 180 degree. The reason we already provided above. Okay, that's it. Now we just have to substitute the values. What's the value of angle AOE? AOE is 65 degree plus. What's the value of angle EOD? EOD is X degree plus angle DOC. DOC is 45 degree plus COB. COB is X is equal to 180 degree. Okay, now let's first add the numerical parts, all of you. Okay, so if I add the numerical part, here I have 65, here I have 45. 65 plus 45 comes to 110 degree, and this x plus x comes to 2x. So 2x is equal to 180 degree. So now this 110 will go on the right hand side, so it will be subtracted from 180. Therefore 2x is equal to 180 minus 110. Understanding, students? Okay, so this will be what? Therefore 2x will be 180 minus 110. So this will be around 70 degree. Yes, 70 degree. Fine. And now I'll just send this 2 down. So I'll continue over here. X is equal to 70 upon 2. 2 ones are 235s are, right? So therefore our answer is, therefore x is equal to 35 degree. That's it. So it was asked, calculate the missing angles. So the missing angles are nothing but angle EOD and COB, which are what? X only. So x is 35 degree. Pause the video please. As I told you, draw the diagram at the center. Height of the diagram should be minimum 5 ruled lines, and don't go horizontally. Do one below another. Leave lines between every step. It is very simple. Students, please pay attention now. The next question in front of you. Okay, now it's a very simple question, students. It's sub question C in your textbook. Calculate the missing angles, and this diagram is given. Once again, I have drawn the diagram on the extreme right hand side. You will draw at the center. You will draw big diagram. Okay, I just want to highlight to you all one basic thing. See, it's so simple. Can you all see this symbol? Please see the symbol. Can you all see this symbol? A box over here. What does this means? What does this box means? This box like this always means that PO or OP is perpendicular to this OQ. This PO is perpendicular to QO. That means this is 90 degree. We never write in figures 90 degree. We always make such boxes. So in the solution part, in the solution students, the first thing we can say is PO is perpendicular. See, this is the symbol as I explained you. PO is perpendicular to QO. Therefore angle POQ is equal to, what is the value of angle POQ? It's called as X. It's called as X, and it is equal to 90 degree. That's it. Yes, we got one of the unknowns. Now it's time to find the other unknowns. Another is just Y. Okay, can you see the students? This RQ, please pay attention. This RQ is a straight line. And a moment ago I told you that sum of all the angles on a straight line is 180 degree. This is the straight line. So how many angles do I have here? This is my first, second, third, okay, and this is the fourth. There's 4 angles I have: ROS, SOT, TOP, POQ. These are the 4 angles. So summation of all these 4 angles, addition will be equal to 180 degree, right? So let's write that step first. Okay, sum of all angles on a straight line is 180 degree. Okay, therefore what are the names? You can start from here or you can start from here. I'm starting from here. ROS also you can write, or SOR also you can write. Angle ROS plus angle SOT plus angle TOP plus angle POQ is equal to 180 degree. Therefore let's write the values. Angle ROS is Y plus angle SOT is also Y plus angle TOP is also Y plus angle POQ. Just now we came to know that angle POQ is X, is nothing but 90 degree. So I'll not write X, I'll just write 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Okay, now therefore Therefore, this y plus y plus y is nothing but 3y is equal to 90 goes on this side. So 118 minus 90 becomes 90 degree only. Okay, 3 ones are 3 threes are 9 zeros are. Therefore, y is equal to 30 degree. That's it, students. So we got to know our two unknown angles. What are our two unknown angles? X is equal to 90 degree and y is equal to 30 degree. That's it. Please pause the video, and drawing of diagram is compulsory. Okay, even in the exam, if diagram is given, of course, so you have to draw the diagram. Do it fast. Okay, students, please pay attention to the last question of today's session. It's sub question D. Very first thing I want to highlight over here is, here also the diagram will be given to you all in the question. The heading is saying calculate the missing angles. Diagram is given, but there is no naming on the diagram. It's not labeled. So pay attention, please. You have to label it. Okay, let's call this point as O. You can give anything. I'm writing this as A and this as B. AB is my straight line. I'll call this, I can write this as CD, okay, anything. But I'm writing this as P and I'm putting this as Q. So labeling the diagram is very important. So AOB is a straight line and we have three angles in it. 1, 2 and 3. Can I say sum of all the three angles on a straight line is 180 degree? This is our straight line. Sum of all the angles on a straight line is equal to 180 degree. Can we start with this? Yes, let's start. Please wait, don't wait for me. Do it simultaneously, please. Okay, so see, I have written in the solution, sum of all the angles on a straight line is 180 degree. Students, I repeat once again, diagram will be at the center. If this is your notebook, your diagram will be your minimum 5 ruled lines, and leaving one line you will start with the solution. I don't have place, that's why I'm doing side by side. You will not do like this. Okay, please see here. Okay, now see this, please. So sum of all the angles, three angles we have. AOP I can also say as POA. Okay, so therefore angle AOP plus angle POQ plus angle QOB is equal to 180 degree. AOP plus POQ plus QOB is equal to 180 degree. Now let's write the values. Now pay attention now. This is important. Therefore AOP, what is the AOP? 3 in the bracket x minus 3 plus POQ. It's x plus 27 plus this is 5x is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Now let's open up the bracket. 3 will multiply with this, 3 will be multiplied with this. So 3x minus 3 3s are 9. Okay. And I can solve a little bit over here, but okay, let it be. I'll just copy and in the next step I'll solve. Plus x plus 27 as it is copied plus 5x is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Now therefore, how many times x we can see here? See, I can see over here I have x here plus 3x, it's plus 1x, it's plus 5x. So 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 plus 5, sorry, 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 plus 5 is 9. So it's 9x. And what about the numbers? See here, please. Here I have minus 9, here I have plus 27. 27 minus 9 is how much? 18. So this will be plus 18 is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Students, I just forgot before starting this question, mark a star over here. Very important question. It's an important question, please. Okay. I am marking a star over here. Important. Okay. Next, what it will be? So can I say therefore 9x is equal to 180 minus 18. This 18 goes on the right hand side. So now what will be the scenario? The scenario will be 180 minus 18. So 9x is equal to 180 minus 18. If you will do it, it will be 162. Okay. So next step will be therefore x is equal to 162 upon 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 5s are 15. Carry 1. It's 12. 3 4s are 12. Okay, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, carry 2, it becomes 24. 3 8s are 24. So we got to know the answer as x. I'll write here x is equal to 18. X equals to 18. Now listen very carefully. Many students, I will say 80% of the students will stop here. They will feel that they got the answer, and if this question is of 4 marks, they will get only 2 marks, because this is not the final answer. Calculate the missing angles. they are not asking you the value of x. Calculate the missing angles. Okay, so you need to find the missing angles. Okay, first one. Now see here, angle AOP. Angle AOP is what? 3 into x minus 3. From here I have copied. Okay, so is equal to, it becomes what? 3 into x minus 3. At the place of x, now I will put 18. Because I got the value of x as 18, I have to find the values of individual angles. Don't forget that. At the place of x, 18 I'll put. So this will be what? This will be, see here, 18 minus 3. Okay, so 3 into 18 minus 3 is how much? 15. 3 into 15 is 45 degree. Okay, second, what is the second angle? POQ. So angle POQ is equal to x plus 27. Array, my value of x is how much? My value of x is this 18 degree. So there is equal to 18 plus 27 over here. Okay, so 18 plus 27 comes to 45 degree. Okay, great. The value of this is also 45. Okay, now the next one, the third one, which is it? QOB. QOB. You can also say BOQ. Angle QOB is equal to how much? 5x. Okay, so it's 5 multiplied by 18 because value of x is 18. Okay, 5 8 is 40, carry 1, 5 1 is 5 plus 4, 9. It's 90 degree. See here, we have also proved a thing. We can recheck our answer. See here, we got to know that value of this angle is 90 degree. Okay, apparently it's not seen. Okay, I know 90 means the straight. So logically this diagram is incorrect. But nobody is asking you to proofread, to highlight the mistakes. We just have to give the values. So value of this is 90, value of this is 45, and value of this is 45. So if you will add 45 is 90, 90 plus 90 is 180, and because it's a straight line, so sum of all the angle is 180 degree. Technically this diagram is wrong, but of course this is a correct question as far as your syllabus is concerned. You can raise a doubt, sir, this is 90 degree QOB, so it should be like this, it should be a L drawn, but it's not drawn. Okay, fine, because here we are interested in drawing. This is a representative purpose. This diagram is just for the representation. Okay, so hope you all understood this, and if you forget to write this, your 2 marks will be deducted. If this comes as a 4 marks question, and if you stop till 18, you will only get 2 marks. Okay, please pause the video and do it fast.